Today we will be showing you how to replace the picker assembly in a StorageTek SL500 tape library. This replacement will require downtime and should be scheduled with the system administrator. The first thing you will need to do is remove the front fascia from the picker assembly. Then you need to get the hand and platform assembly to the home position of the library. To do this, hit the door button on the front of the library to raise the hand and platform to the home position. Then you can power off the library. If the platform has not come up to the home position, you will need to open the main door of the library and crank the platform up by hand. To do this, first you will need to position the hand correctly on the platform. For the hand to be positioned correctly, you will need to first ensure that the hand is turned so that the labels on the side of the hand are facing you. Then you will need to ensure that the hand is far enough forward to set into the home position in the picker assembly. Use the metal rod on the right side of the picker to crank the platform upwards until it is almost at the top. Then look inside the main access door and ensure that the hand is lined up with the home position in the picker. And once it is, finish cranking the platform all the way up until you can see the hand through the cutout in the front of the picker assembly. If you accidentally cranked the platform up too far and cannot move the hand to line up with the home position, you will need to use a long screwdriver to reach in and hit the picker release in the right rear of the picker assembly. While doing this, you need to hold the bottom of the platform assembly so that it doesn't fall down quickly and break. Once you have the hand in its home position, you will need to retract the picker cable up into the picker assembly. To do this, look for the cutout in the left side of the picker. Reach inside and feel around for the small metal bar. Then pull this bar out firmly to tighten up the picker cable into the picker assembly, and then carefully slide the bar back in. You are now ready to remove the picker from the chassis. There are two styles of picker for this library. The old style picker is held in by two Phillips screws, one on either side of the picker assembly. The new style has a lock tab that secures the picker in the chassis. Release the picker from the chassis assembly by either loosening the screws or moving the lock tab to the side, and pull the picker straight back and out of the library. Flip the picker over so you can see the hand and locking mechanism for the picker assembly. Please ensure that you lock the picker for transit by pushing down on the picker lock and securing it. Now you can install the replacement picker. First you will need to unlock the picker by pulling up on the picker lock mechanism. Then you can flip the picker over so it is right side up and then carefully slide it into the library chassis. When pushing it in completely, you need to ensure that the wheel bearing on the left side of the picker is completely behind the frame. The issue with this particular library design is that when installing a picker assembly, sometimes the top edge of the chassis frame will bend in ever so slightly and stop the hand platform from going up and down correctly. As seen on screen with the cutout of the chassis, there is a small guide that the platform wheel has to sit against to guide the hand and platform up and down. If you power the library on and the wheel hits the front of the chassis, the picker will return to the home position and the library will show an error light. To remedy this issue, power the library off, open the main access door, and very carefully grasp the front of the library frame and apply light to medium pressure to bend the frame forward slightly. This should fix the issue. Now, if you have an old style picker, both screws need to be tightened to secure the picker in the chassis. If you have a new style picker, ensure the locking tab has locked itself into the chassis frame. You can now replace the front fascia of the picker assembly, close all main access doors, and power the library on. The library will go through its initialization procedure. When it has finished, there should be no error lights on the library. You should now be ready for production. We strongly recommend running an inventory on the library from your backup software to ensure full robotics operation before starting backups. If you are having any issues with your picker replacement, please contact us directly. If your machine is subscribed to Rocket Plus, please open a ticket through your Rocket Plus customer portal. If not, we may still be able to help you. Please contact us at support@therocketplatform.com and we will respond as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. This has been another video by the Top 10 USA Video Production Team. We look forward to sharing more content with you going forward, so please check out our YouTube channel and please subscribe so that you get notified whenever we release a new piece of content.